In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and view flagged emails in Outlook. Flagged emails are a simple way to mark messages you want to follow up on later, and in Outlook on the web, they're easy to spot once you know where to look. We'll walk through getting to your mailbox, opening your inbox, and recognizing the red flag that identifies these messages so you can quickly focus on what needs your attention. Start by opening your web browser and heading to outlook.live.com. This takes you to Microsoft's web version of Outlook. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to enter your account details. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Outlook home experience. Next, select Mail. On the web, Mail is the core app where your messages live. If you don't see it right away, look for the app switcher or the left sidebar and choose Mail there. This opens your mailbox and shows your folders and message list. Now open your inbox. You'll see it on the left side in the folder pane. Clicking Inbox loads your recent messages in the middle column. If you use Focused Inbox, you may see Focused and other tabs above the list. Flagged emails can appear in either tab, so check both if you don't see what you expect. With your inbox open, scan the message list for a small red flag icon. That flag is the visual indicator that a message has been flagged. It typically appears to the right side of the message row, near the date or quick actions, and it stands out as a bright red flag. If you have many emails, scroll through the list at a steady pace. The red icons is designed to be easy to catch as you move down the page. When you click any message that shows a red flag, the reading pane on the right displays the full email so you can view its contents without leaving the list. This makes it quick to review flagged items one by one. If your reading pane is turned off, selecting the message will open it in a full view instead, but the behavior is the same. Flagged messages open for you to read, reply, or take action. That's all there is to it. Go to outlook.live.com, open Mail, select your inbox, and look for the red flag in the message list. Once you spot that icon, you'll know exactly which emails you've marked for follow-up, and you can open them immediately to get back on track.